Throw it again.
Just kill it,
Throw it again. Let's get it! Alright, go! You go out, this floor, and you'll hear it go,
Oh, yours is automatic? Dude, I did that. What was this? Oh, we were on
just
the
yo,
right.
Matt, just turn around at the gravel.
Yeah, turn around. Yeah.
Turn around at the gravel.
No, I put my window down when Cole's behind me.
You gotta really hit it.
You gotta hit it, boy.
Hit it! Oh, you hear it? Hit it! I have two of them.
He's coming back. Waiting. Oh, head-on collision. Your truck.
Looks like you're doing something else to the truck. You're sitting there going like this.
You got a rod knock. Watch out, watch out. Cole's pissing in the cat eye. My boy. Oh, is that NMBS? NMBS Clary? NMBS Clary? Bye bye, and see you on I don't know. See you sometime next week.